Good Friday morning to you. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich. This is your outlook for November 28th, 2014, and we're starting off a little bit different today. I hope you had a great Thanksgiving. Of course, I had a great Thanksgiving watching my Eagles win last night. So yes, I said it. I'm an Eagles fan. So is Mike DeFino. If you're so inclined to know that, but we have they're going to show the upper air pattern here to start off with the video today. We have a amplified pattern here where we have a big dip in the jet stream. It's going like this. This is allowing the cold air to come in down from Canada. So we will be on the cold side for the next 2 days, and that's going to allow for the colder temperatures to remain through Saturday. But after that, we're going to get into a zonal flow. And the reason I want to show you this is I'm going to show you what a zonal flow looks like. As you get as you get beyond Saturday here, you see how the lines here they're all straight west to east here. This is known as a zonal flow. When you have a zonal flow, you're not going to have these the big amplification in the jet stream, which will allow for the cold air to come down. It's not going to allow for a lot of warm air either. So you're going to have temperatures that are going to be pretty seasonable for this time of year, and you'll have the occasional bumps plus or minus 5 of what normal is. So again, we're not talking about any drastic warm-ups or any drastic cool-downs. And that also means we're not dealing with snow for quite some time. As we go a little bit further in time here, you see it's still doing the same thing here. We got a little impulses that are toward north here, where these little dips in the troughs in the jet stream are going to be. But for the most part, down south where we are here at our latitude, we're talking about near normal or slightly above normal temperatures for this time of year. So again, don't expect any snow in the next 10 days at least. And we're going to go over to a different perspective here. As I get over to this image here. This is the GFS today, and it's showing for Friday. And here's high pressure sitting right over the Ohio Valley, and that's going to be in control of our weather. Still a northwest flow around the high pressure here is going to allow the cold temperatures to come in here. And this high pressure is going to sink off to the east here, sink off the southeastern U.S. coastline. You can see it off here. Return flow around the high pressure is going to be promoting winds to come out of the southwest once we head into Sunday, and that's going to allow for so a little bit of warming. We're talking about warming again. Normal for this time of year is in around 50 degrees, plus or minus 5 degrees, depending on whether or not you're in the northern sections or the southern sections. But 50 degrees is a good starting point for this time of year, and we're going to be slightly above that as we head into Sunday and Monday. So any snow that you do get should start to melt, or if it hasn't done so already, it's going to continue to disappear over the next couple of days. And one of the things that's going to help that is a warm front that we're expecting to come through here Saturday night. Did leave a isolated shower in the possibility of the forecast here on Sunday, but probably not going to happen. But they left a very low chance of a 20% chance of an isolated shower on Sunday. As we get into Monday, there's a little bit better chance of that. But you see this cold front very easily delineated on here on the map here. Here's your cold front, but as it moves through, most of the precipitation is going to disappear from this front, and it's going to kind of fall apart. So probably about a 30% chance of a rain shower here, either late Sunday night or early Monday. And then next system we're going to be watching here is on Wednesday, another frontal boundary. This is actually Tuesday night and a Wednesday here. If it is cold enough, we're going to have to watch for some mixed precipitation to start, especially across our northern areas here. But right now, not a very strong signal for anything significant, just some light either freezing rain or perhaps some snow up into extreme northeastern Pennsylvania, but nothing right now that strikes us as being a big deal. Either way, once this moves through, it's going to become all rain, and then again, still remaining light here, but once this front moves through, high pressure moves back in for Thursday. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for November 28th, 2014. Have a great Friday.